making a back-to-back video of the mighty M1000R. Gonna warm it up a little bit with this stock exhaust. It's got headers and mid pipes, but it's got the stock Akro exhaust. And about to install something a little bit more, let's say, deliberate. And so I want the sound before and after, and warm up those clamps a little bit also. It'll make it easier to remove. And we are done. This is brand new Austin Racing Shorty exhaust. Let's see what it sounds like now.